Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a wearable purple look with the Illamasqua Artistry experimental artistry palette. I haven't touched it in a while and I thought like my goal is to make this colorful palette super wearable, so I want to make a look that's wearable, especially for summer. Even though we're all home, not being able to, go out and whatnot, I feel like since now the masks are covering like everything here, the most cool thing is to, like do pop-up colors in the eyes and whatnot. So if you want to see me creating a wearable look with these colorful eyeshadows, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this purple shadow to carve out the outer corners of my eye and to kind of like lift my eye a little. So I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and I'm going to dip into the purple. If you've seen my videos before, I never get to the end of my eye. I always stop just right there before it because my eyes are droopy, a little droopy. So if I start at the beginning of it, it will go out like this rather than lifting it, and I want to create a lifted look, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing that. I'm just touching the eye with it. As you can see, this is very pigmented. As you can see, this is a very stiff pencil brush. Not harsh enough to like poke your eye, but harsh that it's not gonna like start blending things out if you don't want it to. So I just pat in the color so that it won't start moving to places that I don't want it to, and so that it doesn't start fading out. This is something that happens with colorful shadows, and this is an exceptional palette, but I want to keep it safe. And then I'm gonna go into, with another packing brush, I'm gonna go into this nice pinky purple, and I'm gonna take that, pat it in right there so that it doesn't lose the color, it doesn't lose the pigment. So as you can see, everything is very fixated because I want to lift my eye. I'm going to actually go into the Huda Beauty Pastel Mint palette, and I'm going to go into this bluish pink shade, and I'm going to put that all over the top of the middle of my eye so that I can make like a little brightness going in there. And that's what it looks like. It's super like fairy and summery and fun, and it has like a nice pop of color. And as you can see, like all that I did was constantly going in, packing in the color. I patted in a little at the edges so that it wouldn't look so lined up. That was pretty much it. It was a lot of patting in. And again, I'm gonna actually do that even after I applied the glitter. I'm gonna actually reapply again because colors are so hard to like keep them in place. Not because this is a bad palette, because I actually do enjoy it a lot. I feel like the colors are very pigmented, but because colors are sensitive to blending, specifically blues, purples, and greens. They're just tough. But I mean, see how I'm like patting in? That's what I do to blend it out without ruining anything. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna actually do the other eye, and then I'm gonna do my lashes, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the eyes look. Okay guys, so I did the whole face because I mean, let's face it, I'm using the same old products that I've been talking about in my past videos. You know, the MAC foundation, the Tarte creaseless concealer, like it's just the same. The only thing I did different was that I used the Nudestix Cherry Blossom blush because it's kind of like the only pinky shade that I got that I feel like it matches the purple, like perfectly, like in that same undertone situation. So that's the only thing I changed. Other than that, it's the same old base for my face. I also used the e.l.f. concealer in Chestnut. For the bronzer, I want it to be a little more sun-kissed and diffused. Like, not sun-kissed because the Fenty one is sun-kissed, but like more of like more natural orangey situation. So yeah, you guys, this is how the eyes look. I really like the way they're looking right now. I'm gonna do the under eye situation. I'm gonna jump back into the Illamasqua palette. I'm gonna go into this nice purple here, and I'm gonna go into the outer corner of my eye. And with that same brush, I went into the inner corner with the light purple again, the one that I have right here. They have no names, the shades. And I'm going to do that in the same order on this eye. And for the inner corner, I'm going to put it again from the mint palette. I'm going to go in here again to kind of intensify that. And that's going to be it for the eyes. I'm going to actually go ahead and line my eyes, my waterline, with this ColourPop Fastlane liner, just because I feel like they're too white with the purple within it. So I'm gonna line the waterline just to darken it up a little, but since this is like kind of green, it doesn't make it super dark, and I feel like it matches the vibe perfectly. Yeah. And I'm gonna actually go ahead and take my ColourPop Purple Prose, super purpley mascara. I'm gonna actually do that at the front end of my lash and make it all fun and purpley. And then I'm gonna go ahead into the Kush mascara, and I'm gonna end up the eye with black, just so that I can keep the outer corners dark. So these are what the actual eyes look like now after all the liner and the mascara. I actually do like a lot, you know, the purpley situation at the beginning, and then the black, because I feel like it keeps my eyes open yet, you know, lined up and seductive as they can be. So I'm gonna actually do my lips, which is gonna be the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fuzzy, because I want to keep, you know, the attention of the eyes, since, you know, we're all wearing masks now, so nothing's gonna catch anyone's attention other than eyes because the lips are covered. Yeah, I feel like that suits the look perfectly, since I'm trying to keep it super pinkish. I'm actually gonna put a little more blush, I think. Yeah, I wanted to keep it super pinky and light. Okay guys, so this is what the look turned out to be. I'm super happy with the way it looks, because it's super wearable in a sense that it is colorful, but it's not like one, either hard to do or too overpowering in the sense that you couldn't use this in a like whatever afternoon. Like, I feel like if you take the falsies off, it's not as like insane as it kind of looks. Like, it's not as fabulous as it looks. I feel like this is something that you can just, you know, pop on the go and keep it colorful and remind yourself that it's summer, and use just makeup to have fun. And again, like this shadow just took me like 5 minutes to put on, and it's just a nice way to take use of your colorful palettes, especially now that we want to like cheer each other up. Like, I feel like this is such a nice way to just kind of like play with makeup, but like not go overboard. Essentially I would do the same with any other color. Like, I would just, you know, go a little dark and then a little lighter, and then just a nice puff of glitter. What I do like a lot about the Huda mint palette is those glitters are so nice, and they're like, wherever I turn my eyes, like it's just a different color, and I just really like it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and fun look to just recreate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other palette you'd like me to try, or if you'd like me to try like another kind of look with this palette. I feel like it's like Ipsy's having a lot of sales with it, so I thought that I could make it useful to, you know, kind of like do more colorful eyeshadow looks. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!